everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1! Well, that just happened. You guys, we are here. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Like, look at that. Look at that. It is, I don't think y'all can see that, but it's December 1st. It is the first day of Vlogmas. Okay, so I did Vlogmas last year, but I did it to where it was like a weekly Vlogmas, and I did it to where I would vlog every single day and then post on Saturday. This year, I am challenging myself, and I am going to do the full Vlogmas of uploading a vlog every single day. So wish me good luck. But yes, Merry Christmas everybody. Oh my goodness, this is like my favorite holiday ever, and we are actually off to a really good start. Let me see. Well, where did I put it? I got a Christmas gift from some. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So I got my first little Christmas gift from work, and it's just like a cute little Santa notepad. I'll probably set this up somewhere in my room whenever I decorate. Today is the day to set up and decorate my tree, and right now my room is a mess, so I need to clean it up. I mean, when is my room never a mess? So I need to clean up my room real quick, then we will set up my Christmas tree. Okay, so now that I have that situated, I just got pretty much all my room cleaned up now, and it looks so much better. I already feel so much better, and that took me, what, like not even 5 minutes? I have my tree. Actually, let me show you guys. Move my tripod over here. All right, so I have my tree right here, and it's all ready to go, but I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right here, like maybe center with this. If not, I'm gonna move it kind of more this way. Why is that crooked? I don't like how that's crooked. Hold on, let me try to fix that. Awesome. Oh, it's still a little crooked, but it's fine. Ow, I just popped my toe. Anyways, so I'm probably gonna put the tree here, which means I have to find a spot for all of my shoes, which is fine. And I have a box right there that has a Christmas gift in it. Well, it's a Christmas gift to me. So I'm just going to do something with this. So I need to transfer tripods. Whoops. I need to transfer tripods over here. Move this out the way just because I want to. Makes it look a little nicer. I'm gonna move my purse as well. Just make it look a little better, you know? The lighting in here is like really bad. It's like the sun is kind of setting, so it's starting to look, the lighting's not the greatest. You know, I do have my ring light, and I do have some other lights, but I have no idea where they're at. Base done. And situated, and now it is time to put the lights on. I absolutely love this part. So first off, I have to find these lights. Okay, so I found the lights, and I also found my bag of ornaments. I think that's what this is. Yeah, looks like it. The lights on the tree is probably like one of my most favorite things to do during the holidays. Not gonna lie. Like the absolute best part of Christmas, huh? Just untangling all the lights. Okay, we got 4 strands of lights. So I think what I'm gonna try to do this year is I'm gonna try to fit only 3 on my tree, and then I'm gonna use 1 to kind of go up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have like some lights up here, but I want to do white, and that way I don't have to like go to the store because you know the holidays are very much what in the world? Hold up. Yeah. Y'all see that? Just hold up. Wait a minute. Ah, that puts a dent in my plan now, doesn't it? I think this tree takes like 3 sets of lights, so I was so excited. Okay. It was really exciting that I thought I had 4 strands. Okay, well, at least I have 3. Where did this even come from then? I don't get these kind of lights. It's like LED is awesome, but it's just like for Christmas, I like the warm kind of look. You know how sometimes whenever you light up a Christmas tree, you just kind of like dangle it like that and just kind of go all the way around, all the way up? Well, my dad showed me the proper way, or the way that he does it, and it looks so good. So I'm just going to show you guys. Hopefully y'all can like, this tree swivels a lot. But you start from the back, kind of wrap it around, and then just kind of bend it back. Just kind of get creative with it, and then start again. Very nicely just lights up your whole stem instead of just like the outside. But to each his own. I mean, everyone is different. Not everyone might not like a fully lit tree, but I know personally for me, I love a fully lit tree.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Alrighty. It is nice and lit now. See, the thing is, I'm really debating not decorating it. I mean, just look how pretty. It's just, it's so pretty, just nice and bare. I don't know. You know what it does need? It needs some ribbon. I bought some ribbon. Where is it? So I bought some ribbon from the dollar store, and it's gold. So it's kind of going to go with like my theme this year. But I also have just another ribbon that I put on there last year. It was kind of like more silvery, but we'll see. I might do the gold. I might do the silver. Let's see. Hold on. Let me find it real quick. See, and I also have this ribbon right here, but it's kind of more on the silver side. It's kind of sheer. So I'm like, I might just put this on the tree. I think I really like just having a bare Christmas tree this year. So we're just going to put this ribbon on. Let me see what the gold looks like, but I don't know. Gold seems a little too gold. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Like, this is very, oh, it's getting everywhere already. But it's like very gold, which I mean is pretty, but I just don't have a lot of gold. I'll probably just give this to my family. They can decorate with whatever they want. But I'm just gonna use this because it's more sheer, more my style. So let's start just up here. I'm also gonna twist. That way it kind of like gives a cool little twisty vibe. I just love the look of just a bare tree. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna decorate. But like this year, I'm trying to like get rid of a lot of the pink in my room. And like all of my ornaments are somewhat pink. So this is just perfect. Okay, guys, so I decided that I'm going to start again and just go from the bottom because it's actually starting to like coil on its own. And like the bottom looks so pretty because it's just like, it's so coily and pretty. And then up here is just like, redo. I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. That'll probably look a little prettier. Okay, take two.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Okay, y'all, I am just in love with the bare look of the tree, but like you got this cute ribbon going all around it now. It looks so much better in person, but I think I will just keep just the bare tree this year. I don't know. I really like it. As far as the placement, I don't know. Like, you can't really tell that that's center. I think I'm just gonna push it next to this corner. Big up. Okay, I think that pretty much hit it. I mean, that doesn't look so bad, huh? It's like, it gives me room to sit back. I mean, I think I like that. Gotta try to get a thumbnail here. I don't even know how bad does that look? Okay, let me see. You know what, I'm gonna get this pink chair out of here. I'm gonna try to do this again. Really don't know. I just don't know if I want a screenshot from the video itself or if I want to actually create a thumbnail with this. I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Alright, so I was planning on doing a lot more stuff today, but time kind of got away from me and this tree took a lot longer than I thought that it would. I want to show you guys this. Look how cute this is. And okay, so I know that it says on there days until Christmas and you're supposed to do like the 25 going all the way up. I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm just going to have the circle over the number of the day that the Vlogmas is. So today is December 1st, day 1 of Vlogmas. So I just put it on the 1. And this was only like $3. I mean, that would just look so much better without the strap. So I'll probably just cut the strap off. So day 1 of Vlogmas is complete. I also want you guys to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you are watching my videos. Please leave this video a humongous thumbs up or leave my videos thumbs up. Let me know that y'all are watching my Vlogmas videos. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. I'm so excited for Christmas this year. Chill out, Lauren. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty lit up. Oh, I absolutely love it. And I decided to keep it like plugged into the light right there, but I just kind of put it behind my desk. So it kind of gives like a nice little, I don't know, what do you call it? Like subtle light. Alright, so it is a little bit later, as you guys can see, and we are actually going to put on a family Christmas movie. So we decided that we wanted to put on like a Christmas movie a night, or at least try to put on like a Christmas movie a night until Christmas. And since it is December 1st, that starts tonight. So I'm going to head upstairs and put on a Christmas movie with my family. Alright, you guys, so we just finished our Christmas movie. It brings back the classics. I mean, you gotta bring back the classics. You gotta bring back the classics. There, that's what I was trying to say. So that is it for this Vlogmas video. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope you guys are safe and well, and I will catch you in my next Vlogmas video. Bye!